Hello team. So this is the Facebook chatbot, e-commerce and social media management tool, which I'm going to tell you. So this is the front end. Here you can check other details. Okay. So here you can add your key features. Okay. Details feature, which features we are providing, like send bulk message, auto comment reply, auto private reply, auto comment like, and all. You can manage that. It's the best marketing solution. You can change any if you want to change any content, then you can change content as well. Okay, see, this is the our app, or here you can set up your own application so user can easily log in your app. Here you can check screenshots. Okay, here you can check price, because of this is a subscription based package, so your user will buy any package from you, then they can use that. You can see how much a month we will providing, and how much, what is the Facebook amount, timeline, and all. Here you can check reviews and other things. Here user can contact with you. Okay, if user want to log in, so he or she can easily log in with that. Let me log in. Let me show you. So user can log in, or user can easily register. Currently we have not any ready-made user ID password, that's why I'm unable to log in, but no worries, I will show you the super admin where you will get most of the functions. Okay, so this is the admin login which I will show you. Here you can check statics, male versus female subscribers, last 7 days subscribers, 24 hours interface. Here you can get subscribers data, means where we get that, latest subscriber and all, you can check that. Last auto reply, you can check reply to, reply time, and comment ID, what is the. Here you can check import account, so if you want to import, then you can import. Before that, you need to log in with the Facebook, or means you need to set up API key, then it will be work. After that we have some system settings, so let me show you some settings as well. Okay, here you can add or edit your address, company, email, preference. You can set up your languages, time zones. You can set up your SMTP key, because of we already using SMTP for mail. Here you can check logo and favicon. Okay, after that portfolio management we have many things. SMS, let me show you SMS. So you can send SMS as well, you can send email as well, email auto sender. So here you can set up. So we are using for auto, we are using Mailchimp, Sendblue button, Active Campaign, or Mautic, or many more. Here you can upload your files, chunk data related to how much time, after how much time it will be done. Okay, here you can check other things easily. Okay, let me show you social apps. Just seconds. So you can set up other things on front end. After that we have SMTP, so here you can set up SMTP for mail. Here are some templates, you can check template, or you can update template. After that we have an analyze, so here you can check analyze. You can paste your Google analyze code, then it will be work. After the advertisement we have, so here you can add your advertisement, so it will be displayed on your application or front end. Okay, after that social apps we have, so here you can check, you can set up your Facebook, Google, and these URLs. After that we have a cron job, so cron jobs you can check it here. Language editor we have, so here you can set up what language you are working, so you can set up your own language. Add-on manager we have, theme manager, let me show you theme. So we have 2 themes currently working with that. You can change if you want to change, or you can install any other theme with developer. Okay, after that we have a subscription package, so you can create multiple subscription package. Okay, you can view, edit, delete, or you can create more. Here you can check user data. This is the user data, you can check this is enable or disable. Okay, you can add it, you can delete, or you can change the password. Here you can check like send email, login logs, you can check that. After that announcement we have, so you can create multiple announcement. Comment growth tool, so here you can check. Before that we need to set up other things. Comment growth tools for we need to configure Facebook app. Okay. because of all data will come from that Facebook. Here you can check subscribers, so you can sync, you can bot subscriber, you can check labels and all, you can take or you can manage that. After that we have a live chat, so all types of live chat will come here. After that we have a messenger bot, so here you can set up bot, so you can create multiple bot. Here you can check postback manager, OTN. So postback manager we have whitelisted domains, we have save template, we have email auto sender, we have. So with these tools you can use any for automatic. After that we have a broadcast, so you can use broadcast, SMS API, SMS campaign we already set up, you just need to add and then it will work for you. After that e-commerce store, so here you can add your store or you can add other things. So you need to add one store for run your campaign. And now social posting we have, you can multiple posts, CTA posts, carousel video posts you can do with single solution. Okay, I already show you the complete demo. And I think if you have any query or doubts, so you can connect with us. We will show you a complete demo again with pretty free. So thank you.